Today I'm posting a video on what I got in my January 2018 Boxycharm. So here it is. Boxycharm is a monthly subscription that you can sign up for. I believe you can sign up for just a month if you wanted to, or you could do 6 months or 12 months, whatever you'd prefer. And it's about $21 US a month, so it's probably like around $30 Canadian. And you get 5 full-size products in your box every month. So it's a really great value. 2018, so I'm guessing that's the theme for it this month. And then the first thing I got is the Luminizing Primer by Dr. Brandt, and I'm really excited about this just because I've used Dr. Brandt's skincare before and it's really good, and it's also quite expensive. So to get a full size of this is pretty good. So I'm excited to try that. The next is the It Cosmetic Universal Brow Pencil, and it says it has biotin, saw palmetto, and antioxidants, developed with plastic surgeon and dermatologist, clinically tested, paraben-free, cruelty-free. I was excited to try this too. Apparently you just press firmer if you have a darker brow and lighter if you have a lighter brow, and it's supposed to be like a universal color, I guess. So I'll try this out and let you know. I really do love It Cosmetics though. I've tried lots from their company and I find that they have really good products. So I'm really excited to try that. And the next is this Girlactic Beauty. What is it here? It looks like it is a matte lip paint in like a dark red, dark reddish, plumish, dark nude type of color, and it's the color Demure. So I'll swatch it. So here's what it looks like. It looks really pretty. It almost looks like a plumish red. It smells good too. And it feels really creamy on the hand. And the next thing I got is this Pure Bronze and Brighten palette. Looks like this. And I'll just open it up. Wow, this is pretty. So the colors, it's a really nice coral blush, a champagne highlight, and it looks like a shimmery bronzer. So I'll have to try these and let you guys know, but it looks so pretty just from the colors here. Let's see if I can swatch them. Whoa. They're so pigmented and soft. Like that's just one light stroke. They're so pigmented. And they're really like soft, so you'd have to go with a light hand with them for sure. The Glam Metals palette by Crown. Bring it back so you can see it. And it looks really pretty. It's actually what I'm wearing on my eyes today. So I'm wearing this one in the crease and this one on the lash line and on the lid of my eyes. And they're really pigmented, really creamy. I love the colors in here too. You've got like some blues, greens, and a lot of neutrals too, so it's good for every day. I love neutral eyeshadows because you just wear them so much. That's all that I've received in my box. I'm really happy with it. This is my second Boxycharm now, and I think I like this one more than last month's. Definitely keep my subscription and then see what I get next month, and I'll film it for you guys. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great day. Comment below what you received in your box. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. I'll also link down the last month's unboxing if you wanted to see what I got in the Boxycharm last month too. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.